Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add multiple pages on your CAD website. First, open any preferred browser and search for CAD. This will take you to the official CAD website. Sign into your account if you haven't already. After signing in, click on the dashboard button and it will redirect you to the CAD homepage. Now, click on the New Site button at the top right corner. This will open up the CAD website editor. In the editor, you'll notice a plus icon at the top right corner. Click on this to add a new element. Select the Control option. Now CAD doesn't have traditional pages like other website builders. Instead, you'll need to create different sections on a single page. So the section break is how you'll separate the content. After that, scroll down and change the name of both of the sections you just created. This will help you keep track of the different parts of your website. Next, select the first section break and click on the Add icon to choose the required elements you want to include in that section. Repeat the same process for the second section break. Once you've added all the necessary elements, you can add a button element and place it at the top. Make sure to create 2 buttons and name them whatever you want. In the URL field for each button, enter the name of the corresponding section break preceded by a hashtag. This will allow visitors to quickly navigate between the different sections of your website. After setting up the buttons, don't forget to save your changes to the CAD website. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.